What's good? It's your boy Racket Club. As y'all know by now, I've been living in Salvador Bahia for the past 2 months. And you know, Carnival is right around the corner, but a week prior they had pre-Carnival parties going on. So I figured this would be a good way to gauge and see if your boy got the stamina for the real thing. Alright, so we gotta go through a line. I ain't know this was gonna do us like that, but you got a women's line, you got the men's line right here. They gotta check us, you know, frisk us down, make sure we ain't got no weapons and whatnot. I mean, I'm kinda glad they got it, but it's crazy. Little boy. Oh man. Yeah, they done frisked my little boy up. Why they do him like that? Hey, 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 hey. Hey, look, he walking in playing the drums. That's crazy. This probably a band that's about to perform later right there. Like it's getting a little bit louder now. What the fuck going on? Hey, it's about to get real, y'all. We hitting that corner. Look, they getting ready. This is where they perform on. These like right here. When you see them performing during Carnival. Look, she mad at me, y'all. I don't know what I done did. I gotta beat her. Hey man, Carnival is life. I'm at the party. They eat right now. Ain't that right? Come on, where that music at? Okay, we about to get there. Hey, hey. Hey, fuck it. One life, baby, one life. We living. Hey, come on, baby. So this Bloco right here doesn't build up slowly. It just start at 100 and keep going. that bitch. Taisha, come on. Oh man, we made it through there. All right, so we just made it through that crowd. We got a whole new crowd we about to walk through though. Hey, look, this shit ain't bad for the pre-carnival. Baby was pushing y'all through that crowd. Oh man, what we got here? Oh, I thought those were the real cops. Bruh, it's so easy to get lost around here. My God. Look at this shit. All right, where we gonna go, bruh? Oh, we got CNN up in here. Oh. We got CNN. Hey, what up, CNN? Hey! I had to fucking do that shit. Hey, we can go up there and get some food, bro. Yeah. Hey, they got somebody over here. Hey. It wasn't us. All right, y'all. We still looking for some food. This shit crazy. It's too late. I'm not even hungry. I just want more drinks. I just been drinking liquor and water all day, man. I can eat later on. Eating gonna slow me down. Oh shit. Hey man. This shit been eventful so far, especially for this little so-called pre-carnival. I can't even imagine what's gonna be like next week during the real carnival. Hey, we gotta go here. This that music right here, dog. Hey. Hey. Oh, now. So at this point, I had no control over what was happening. Hell, I just went with it. Hey, baby, come on. She thinks she's too cool. I'm more Brazilian than she is. Hey. Hey, Marco. Get it. Hey. Let's go, let's go.
Atenção, minha frente do trio. Atenção, pipoca do fundo. Faz um vizinho, faz um vizinho. Para, sai do vizinho pra
get something to eat. We had to duck off on one of these little side streets away from the little parades they be having here. They got damn ambulance, EMTs, they got all type of shit. Cause you know niggas be probably passing out. Ain't no telling what drugs and all the drinking they've been doing out here without drinking water. Hey, don't forget, you gotta get that water, y'all. Alright, let's see what type of food they got. I don't want nothing too crazy, just something to hold me over. Alright, this one of the little side streets, man, where you can get your little trinkets, get some cheap street food. I'm not trying to find no damn papados right now. I just need something to hold me over. But what I'm looking for is like whoever got the longest line, man. I just don't be going to the spot with nobody sitting there because that's not a good sign. It don't matter where you at in this world. It's not a good sign. Oh man, I done seen it all, man. These people is trying to set this old dude up with these young chicas right here. Oh man. Look, they was dancing all around him. He was hitting his little two-step. Hey, who knows where he from, man? Everybody be getting it in. YOLO. Yeah, buddy was feeling it. He was like, hey! Look, he had like a pack of like 6 shorties around him. Here, I'm about to show y'all. Look.
Bar right here.
There's a girl trying to get him. So this was like a nice little sample of like how Carnival gonna be a week from now. Oh, I feel raindrops too. Shit, we gotta get up out of here. But yeah, man, pre-Carnival pretty lit. It can be extremely lit depending on what you're used to. You know, you gotta be able to deal with these crowds, but crowds wasn't a big problem today. Yeah, I know it's gonna get worse, but hey man, just make sure you don't have all your gaudy jewelry on, all your fancy clothes. My shorty told me to not wear sandals, so don't wear sandals, bro. They gonna step on your foot. Yesterday that didn't happen to me, but a lizard was on my shit and I was panicking. Thank God I didn't record that part. She was like, you better listen to me next time. Oh shit. Buddy about to hit me in the bike. But yeah, man, pre-Carnival lit. Definitely recommend it. It's cheaper. It's less crowded. But you gotta get here about a week early before Carnival start. But I mean, hey, if you come to Brazil, you can't be here for just a weekend anyway, so you should be good.